Hey everyone, it's Christiane, a Thermomix USA consultant, and today I'll be showing you how to make vegan brownies. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add 100 grams of nuts. Put on my lid and we're going to grind it up. Okay, so I've set my ground almonds aside, and next we're going to add in the flour. So we're going to be adding 150 grams of flour into our mixing bowl. And next, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And also 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm going to put the lid back on and mix that together. So now we have nicely ground up flour, salt, and baking soda. So next I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. We are going to add 210 grams into our mixing bowl. So I've gone ahead and ground up my chocolate. Let me show you what it looks like. It's into pretty much like a powder. And next we're going to be adding our coconut oil. So we need 120 grams of coconut oil. So now we're going to melt that at 50 degrees Celsius for a couple minutes here while we're stirring it together. As you can see, the chocolate is nice and melted. And now we're going to be adding our sugar. So we want 160 grams of brown sugar. Okay, so I've added back in our flour, and next we're going to add our flaxseed egg. If you guys didn't know, vegan eggs are flax seeds and water mixed together, and you can substitute that for eggs in your recipes. So we're going to add that in here, and that helps bind your ingredients together really nicely. And then we'll add a little bit of vanilla extract. And we're ready to mix everything together. So 30 seconds at speed 4. So everything's mixed together. Let's take a look. We got most of it mixed up, and we just have to scrape it a little bit with a spatula. And then we're going to add in our almonds. Okay, so our vegan brownie batter is done mixing. We can transfer it to our baking pan now. Let me show you guys. And we're going to bake in the oven at 325 for 30 minutes.